All right, folks, buckle up. Today I'm diving into some of the most unbelievable car crashes you need to see to believe. These accidents are jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, and a stark reminder of how unpredictable the road can be. Let's kick things off with a wild crash that took place in Los Angeles. A speeding sports car lost control on a highway, flipping multiple times before coming to a halt. Miraculously, the driver walked away with just a few scratches. It's a testament to modern car safety, but also a glaring example of why speed limits exist. Next up, a pile-up on an icy highway in Michigan. Picture this, over 50 cars sliding and crashing into each other like dominoes. The chaos was captured on multiple dashcams, showing just how quickly things can go wrong when roads are slick. Thankfully, most of the drivers sustained only minor injuries. Now let's head to China, where a truck carrying hazardous materials collided with a sedan. The impact was so severe that it caused a massive explosion, lighting up the night sky. Emergency services were quick to respond, but it was a stark reminder of the dangers trucks can pose. In Germany, a luxury car was caught on CCTV as it veered off a cliff. The footage shows the car plummeting down, flipping several times before landing upside down. Miraculously, the driver survived, crawling out of the wreckage with the help of bystanders. It's a scene straight out of an action movie, but this was all too real. And who can forget the infamous multi-car crash during a race in Monaco? High-speed racing, sharp turns, and one miscalculation led to a chain reaction of collisions, the roar of engines, the screech of tires, and the crunch of metal. It was a spectacle that left even the seasoned racers shaken. Finally, let's talk about a crash that went viral for its sheer absurdity. In Florida, a car flew off an overpass and landed in a swimming pool. Yes, you heard that right, a swimming pool. The driver was rescued by quick-thinking neighbors, and the bizarre incident turned into a local legend. These crashes are not just stories, they're stark reminders of the unpredictability of driving. Each incident showcases the importance of staying alert, following traffic rules, and respecting the power of the vehicles we drive. So next time you're behind the wheel, remember these unbelievable crashes. Drive safely, stay aware, and let's make the roads a safer place for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video eye-opening, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more unbelievable stories. Stay safe, everyone.